What's up, friends and followers? Nate with Lakeview Home Improvement. Today I want to answer a question that we commonly get. It is, should we have everything on site before your project is started? And the answer is yes. It's super helpful. A couple of reasons. If we've ordered everything in advance and everything shows up on time like it should, that helps us in the production process with minimizing any delays that could occur. We're going to open all the boxes up. We're going to make sure that they all work together. There aren't any scratches, damages, make sure that all the little pieces and components are there. It does still happen where maybe we are dealt with a malfunctioning component or possibly a piece gets damaged while it's being installed. So we want to minimize any of those delays if possible. What we don't want to happen is the time comes for us to show up and start your renovation, materials aren't on site, and we then tear into your kitchen, which is a main focal point in your home and you live out of daily. We don't want to have that turned down for too long. So our goal by having things on site before we start is to make sure that there aren't any hangups, and again, we can get in there, create the space that you're hoping for, clean it up, touch it up, and pack up and leave. That's our ultimate goal, is to make it the most seamless process and be clean and productive throughout the entire time that we are on site. So that's a wrap. If that information was informative to you, please, as always, like, follow, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family, and we'll catch you on the next one.